The Ministry of Internal Affairs has released the National Report on Countering Trafficking in Persons. According to the report, there was an increase in the number of human trafficking cases reported to police from 421 in 2021 to 12,000 in 2022, and most of the cases involved
grown to 1,200 cases in 2022 as compared to 421 cases in 2021. This comparison indicates that 125 cases. This comparison is drawn from also the years that emanate from 2016 to date. If you look at the report, it will show a continuous, steady increase in the number of cases reported to police. Figure 1 shall indicate and show you the trend of incidents of trafficking in persons from 2016 to 2022, and it steadily indicates how cases have increasingly been reported to police.
The report shows most of the victims are women. School-going children are trafficked under the pretext of extending to them bursaries.
But currently what we are doing at the ministry, we have come up with a concept note which we are going to present to cabinet, and it is about establishing regional reception centers. The shelter I talked about, which is at CID headquarters, it is too small. It cannot accommodate many victims rescued or intercepted, and normally when we get them through the referral guidelines, civil society organizations help us to take them on for shelter and other services.
However, the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Internal Affairs, General Joseph Musanyufu, urged Ugandans, especially those who want to travel to Middle East, to use the right channels in order to be helped.
And we ensure that every single girl, lady that goes through an established registered company, that way you can trace them backwards. So whatever lady or foreign worker goes should go through an established company that we can trace. Wherever there is a problem, then we trace backwards. So whoever is going should ensure that he goes through a labor established company, a company that is known by Ministry of Labor.
In the fight to curb human trafficking, the ministry said it faces the challenge of lack of facilities to keep the affected victims due to increased numbers.
The primary challenge is awareness. Most victims don't know they are victims. So awareness, and that's what our focus for this year is. We want everybody to know that, first of all, there is this problem. And if you find it very easy to leave the country, you should be very suspicious. You know that other exporting companies require you to register and go through the process, but somebody comes and says it's very easy for me, you will go tomorrow. You should be suspicious.
Naguja Serena, Beg Television.